Minasan, domo konnichiwa, Isa desu, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So for tonight, I'll be tackling about my favorite Japanese electro-pop trio, Perfume. So did you know that they are one of the longest running Japanese music groups? I've been a fan of their music for 17 long years. I saw them in a TV show in 2008. They performed Polyrhythm and Chocolate Disco, my favorites. And I became a hardcore fan in 2012 during their Spring of Life era. I saw them twice already. Was on Singapore in 2012. Second was in 2019 in Taipei. And the latest one was in 2020 when I was a guest, when I was a TV viewer for NHK Songs of Tokyo. So, who are the members of Perfume? These are Achan, Yoshiwaki Ayaka, Kashiyuka, Kashino Yuka, and Nochi, or Ayano Omoto. So, Perfume was formed in 1999 at Hiroshima Actor School. Their music producer is Capsules Yasutaka Nakatasai. He already went here in Manila. And their choreographer is 11 Place Mikiko Sensei, the same choreographer of Baby Metal. They had their major debut in 2005 with their single Linear Motor Girl. Let's head to their discography. They have 9 studio albums. These are Game in 2008, Triangle in 2009, JPN in 2011, Level 3 in 2013, Cosmic Explorer in 2016, Future Pop in 2018, Plasma in 2002, Nebula Romance Part 1 last year, and Nebula Romance Part 2 this year. They have 3 compilation albums. These are Perfume Complete Best in 2006, Global Compilation Love the World in 2012, and The Best P-Cube in 2019. They have an EP called Polygon Wave in 2021, and their latest single was Meguru Loop, the theme of the J-drama Chihaya Furu Meguri, or Full Circle.